Good morning, everybody. As I am going to present this research paper through a video clip PPT, and my research area is Sino-Indian border issue and assessment of the 1962 conflict. I am going to present as this paper uh, main introduction, which I am going to highlight in this PPT, is that this study analyzes the Sino-Indian conflict of 1962. The work also evaluates the background to the 1962 border issue. Besides it, the early incidents before the 1962 border issue have also been highlighted in this work. Major events after the 1962 border issue has also been evaluated in this work. India and China are referred as the two giants of the Asian region. Both the nations got independence from the imperialism. The People's Republic of India was created in the year 1947 and the People's Republic of China was created in the year 1949 respectively. The interactions of the two nations have not remained static after their independence. Many issues arose between the two nations due to which numerous disputes, as the Sino-Indian 1962 border issue, 1967, 1987, and the Doklam issue, and the recent issue, Bangkok issue, which is near in the Ladakh area, were reported. This paper also evaluates the both Sino-Indian border with special reference to the Sino-Indian clash of 1962 conflict. The main objectives of the study. Before going to elaborate the objectives of the study, I am going to highlight some main pointers regarding the Sino-Indian interactions. China-India interactions, also called as the Sino-Indian relations or the India-China relations, refers to the bilateral relationship between the People's Republic of India and the People's Republic of China. The relations between the two nations, India and China, have been characterized by border disputes resulting in the one conflicts. However, since the late 1980s, both countries have successfully rebuilt diplomatic and economic ties. In 2010, China became India's largest trading partner, and the two countries have also extended their strategic and the military relations. Despite growing strategic and the economic interaction, there are several hurdles for the India and the PRC to overcome. India faces hurdles trade imbalances in heavily favor of China. The countries of the failure to resolve their border dispute and Indian media outlets have repeatedly reported Chinese military incursions into the Indian territory. Both nations have steadily established military infrastructure along the border areas. Additionally, India remains wary about China's strong strategic bilateral relations with Pakistan. While China have expressed the concerns about the Indian and the military economic activities in the disputed South China Sea, against the background of the 1962 conflict, as well as the continued border dispute with the China and Pakistan, along with the northern border and concessions of the expanding strategic relationship between China and Pakistan, India understandably feels compelled to counter China's growing maritime influence and safeguard its maritime interests in the South Asian region. I have also not highlighted the review of literature of this paper in this work, but I wanted to give a glimpse of the survey of the literature. Chadha Vivek and the Munshi Ado in the year 2015 has prepared a volume which is composed of many articles. The volume gives a detailed summary of India's interactions with its immediate neighbors, as India's cooperation with China, South Korea, Japan, and relation with the Iran. Fernando Y.J. and Sithora N. in the year 2012 have also prepared a work which explores the detailed summary about China's maritime relations with the South Asian region. Srivastava V.K. in the year 2016 has also prepared a work, Sino-Indian Border Dispute and the Indo-centric Reflections on the Chinese Maritime Capabilities, Thoughts and Options in the New Future, which also creates a lot of information about the which also creates a lot of information about the Sino-Indian relation. The main objectives of my paper are to provide a detailed notes about the Sino-Indian border skirmish of the 1962, to assess the Chinese readers assess the reader's information regarding the early incidents of the Sino-Indian 1962 border issue to evaluate the background of the Sino-Indian conflict of the 1962. Further, this I am going to highlight some concluding points regarding the this issue. I mean to this paper. We can say that the two nations, India and the China, no doubt they are referred as the historical gainers of the Asian region. But besides their fruitful interactions, the two nations have also faced a lot of conflicts, and due to which their interactions not remained stable. We cannot say that the relations have not remained stable right from their independence, but some uh, problems have also arisen, as we can say that. Thank you very much.